So I've just been sent, oops, just dropped that. I've been sent these LED lights from AUXITO. So massive shout out to them. They reached out to me wanting me to try a set of their LED headlights and leave a video review for them. So here they are. I'm going to fit them in the Ford. And they also sent out this adapter kit. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to need it, but I will have a look now, because it does say on the box, says plug and play. The camera focuses. Yeah, plug and play. So we shall see how that goes. I'm not going to do a video of showing you how to fit the bulb, because I've done that in a previous video. So if you need to see how to change the bulb, I'll leave a link in the description below, or see if I can pop it up on the screen somewhere. But yeah, let's install these and see how they look. Okay, so I've just opened it, and first impression is I really like the box. So I would do this outside, but it's bloody peeing down, so not doing it in here. Yeah, it's a slide-off lid, which is quite cool. Lifts off the top, and then it's a nice sturdy box. Obviously comes with a user manual, and then look how neatly packaged they are in the polystyrene foam, and they look quite cool as well, to be honest with you. So I'm still sat in the car because the rain has got heavier, so that's just great. But I was flicking through the user manual, and it's actually really cool. So it says obviously you can get a warranty on them. So if you flick through here, on the bottom of the bulb in there, there's a little code. Like there, you can't really see it on the camera. Just about. Let's see if I can turn my light on. Yeah, there's a code there. And that's sorts out the warranty. You need to send a picture to them. But what also is cool is it actually tells you how to install it. So you've got ones without the retainer clips, and then one with, and another one with. So yeah, huge shout out to AUXITO. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know, AUXITO. Yes, I think that's really handy, because you don't really get, that I know of, any that actually give you instructions of how to fit the bulb as well, which is pretty cool. It tells you which way to lock it in, etc. Also tells you to flip it 180 degrees if the light bulb doesn't come on, etc. But yeah, so that's neat to know. So I thought now will be a good time in the video to show you their website, and also they're doing a deal that if you buy through the link that I put in the description down below, you get 15% off. You need to type in Liam's Toolbox in the payment screen when you get to the end. But if we flick through now, it just shows you quite a few things they sell. And for example, I've just clicked on this battery charger. So if you scroll down, add to cart, and then press proceed to checkout. Also, you need to fill in your details, blah, blah, blah. Scroll down to the payment option, and you can see it's already been applied there, say Liam's Toolbox, and that gives you 15% off. So massive shout out to them. Click the link down below in the description. And like I say, it's not just on these LED lights, it's for anything on their website. So definitely worth checking them out. They sell quite a lot of things on there. It's the next day. I didn't brave the rain. It was just kept on getting heavier and heavier. So with that said, let's get to it and change these light bulbs. I've just fitted one of the bulbs. As you can see, it's the new bright white one. You can compare the difference to the yellowy orange on there, which is the standard bulb. It's good to mention as well that these are just plug and play, so it's a nice straight fit. So the headlights are in, and overall I'm very impressed with them. I say it's a good thumbs up for me. I definitely recommend these headlights. They're nice and bright. I'm waiting for the weather to get dark so I can show you properly, because it's pointless showing you when it's not quite dark. You don't have the full effect. I'll compare it to the old ones. I've done a video of the old ones, which I'll fade to now, and I'll do the comparison so you can see the difference. Here's a clip of the old lights, and here's the new ones. So you can see there's a clear difference there. With the old ones, it doesn't cover as much of the wall. I'll fade back to them now, as you can see, and then go back to the new ones. So yeah, there is a clear difference there. And here's how they look from the front of the car. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.